Imagine waking up with a sense of clarity, your digestive system humming along smoothly, and your energy levels boosted. That's what happens when you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine. As you do the gelatin trick, your body starts to notice the difference, your skin begins to glow, and your joints feel more lubricated. It's like a breath of fresh air for your insides. Doctors are now talking about the gelatin trick because it's not just about weight loss. It's about overall wellness, and that's what's got everyone excited. My friend, who's a healthcare professional, told me that the gelatin trick is being discussed in medical circles because of its potential to support healthy gut bacteria and even help with inflammation. The gelatin trick is simple, yet powerful, and researchers say it's a daily ritual that can make a big difference in how you feel. If you want to learn more about how to do the gelatin trick and start experiencing its benefits for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a detailed explanation, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips to get you started. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you'll be taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you.